This is a notification which alerts you that you need to deposit more money in your trading account or close losing positions to free up margin. Margin call is denoted as a fixed percentage determined by the broker. You can find the margin call percentage in the account specifications of your trading account. When the market is moving against your open positions and the margin level falls to the margin call percentage, you can expect to receive a margin call warning on your device. In other words, it is a warning for the trader that the stop-out level is approaching. In the example here, the trader is getting closer and closer to a margin call. Don't forget that your margin level is your equity divided by used margin times 100. If his margin level decreases further to 40%, he will get a margin call. So make sure always to keep an eye on your margin level, guys. Thank you and see you next video.